Hey creators, GadInsider here with the ultimate guide to vlogging in 2025. Want to level up your videos with the best cameras? We've got the top picks to make you shine. Let's dive in. From compact budget gems to pro-level beasts, these cameras will make your vlogs really pop. Ready to find your perfect match? Stick around for the breakdown. To be the best vlogger in 2025, you need a camera that delivers crisp visuals and pro features. Here are the top 5 vlogging cameras, starting with affordable picks. Number 1. Sony ZV-1 at $649. This compact champ rocks a 1-inch sensor for sharp 4K 30p video and a 20mm wide lens. Perfect for group shots. Its smartphone-style interface and flip-out screen make vlogging a breeze. Ideal for beginners on a budget. Number 2. The Nikon Z30, $709 with 16 to 50mm lenses. A comfy APS-C camera with a solid grip and 3-inch flip-out display for selfie mode. It shoots 4K at 30p and 1080p or 120p for slow-mo, although lens options are limited. Great for casual vloggers who want quality without complexity. Number 3. DJI Pocket at $539. This pocket-sized powerhouse has a 1-inch sensor, 4K 120p slow-mo, and a 2-inch rear LCD. Remote mic support and gimbal stabilization make it a content creator's dream. Affordable and portable for vlogging on the go. Number 4. Fujifilm X-S20 at $1,299. A premium pick with a 26.1MP X-Trans sensor, 6K 30p 10-bit video, and in-body stabilization. Its user-friendly interface and long battery life are perfect for serious vloggers, although it is pricier. Number 5. Sony ZV-E1 at $2,199. The ultimate full-frame vlogging camera, lightweight at 483 grams. It shoots 4K 60p in any light with AI-powered auto-framing for solo shoots and advanced stabilization. A pro tool for creators aiming for cinematic quality. Why is this a big deal? A great vlogging camera takes your content from meh to must-watch, whether you're on a budget or going pro. These 2025 picks offer killer features to hook your audience and grow your channel fast. Which camera is your vlogging vibe? Drop a comment. Budget or premium? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech tips.